Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bagel. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our bagel, we're going to begin right here and we're just going to make a little bit of like a curved line. So we're going to draw a little line, it's going to go down, we're going to curve it around and bring it back up here. Now starting out here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, we're going to come down and then just curve it down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and we're going to bring it back up. Now we're going to put some cream cheese in here. So to do this, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out and then we're just going to make it kind of wavy in here. And we're going to bring this all the way to this side. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down. We're going to curve it around and then bring it back up to here. Then we're going to add a little face on here. I'm going to begin by making a circle here. We're going to leave some space and we'll make another circle over here. Then we'll put a half circle at the top and bottom. We're just going to color the middle part in. We're going to make a little line across, and a little line is going to come down and then up. We'll add a little curved line for the tongue, and then we're just going to color this part in here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon bagel. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.